Ito na ang pinakamagandang location ng hotel na nakita namin dito sa Tsim Sha Tsui Base T. Biruin mo, walking distance lang sa TST MTR Station, 2-minute walk sa Star Ferry Terminal, napakalapit lang sa mga sikat na pasyalan, katabi ng mga malalaking shopping malls, at may spectacular view ng Victoria Harbor from our room. We stayed here for 3 nights at talaga namang masasabi naming prime location need not be expensive.
This is Marco Polo Hong Kong Hotel in Tsim Sha Tsui. We stayed in a deluxe harbor view room, a 45 square meter room na may king-size bed, coffee nook, work desk, TV, space for our luggage, safe, coffee and tea making amenities, and mini ref. May spacious toilet and bath with bathtub, lavatory, and closet. Binook namin ang hotel na to for our anniversary because we wanted something special kaya na-appreciate namin itong sweet treats. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan namin sa room na to is the view of Victoria Harbor. Tignan nyo naman ang view namin, Basties. Nakita pa namin ang sunset from our room. Perfect timing talaga.
By the way, Basties, 5G ang power outlets dito sa Hong Kong. Ito nga pala yung travel adapter na gamit namin. Alam namin kailangan mo rin ito kaya nilagay na namin yung link sa bio, caption at comment section.
At dahil nga 5-star hotel ito,
merong swimming pool, fitness center at breakfast sa Cafe Marco, where they serve international and Asian breakfast options. Our room gave us access to Continental Club Lounge, where we also had breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktails. Nakakatuwa din kasi Marco Polo Hong Kong Hotel has direct access to Harbour City, the largest shopping center in Hong Kong.
Mura niyong mabubukang hotel na to sa Klook and you can use our code para magka-discount pa kayo. Pwede niyo ring i-search ang Chuck and Joe sa Klook app for special discounts of up to 50% off. And because this hotel is located in the heart of Tsim Sha Tsui, nilakad lang namin ang Hong Kong Cultural Center, Clock Tower, Victoria Harbor Promenade, Avenue of Stars, K11 Musea at Star Ferry Pier. Malapit lang din dito yung meetup location ng Hong Kong Open Top Sightseeing Bus Tour at yung fine dining restaurant na Hutong where we had our anniversary dinner.
Marami ka talagang mapupuntahan kapag sa Tsim Sha Tsui area ka nagstay, Bastie. Pupunta ka ba sa Hong Kong soon? Join ka na sa bagong Facebook group namin for more travel tips and recos.